In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a project on Lovable AI. Let's go through the steps together, ensuring each detail is clear and straightforward. First things first, we'll start by heading over to Lovable's website. So open your favorite browser and type in lovable.dev in the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the Login option. This is usually at the top right corner of the page, and it will help us access your Lovable AI account. Now click on Login. This will bring up a few different methods to access your account, the most convenient being Continue with Google. Go ahead and click that. It's worth mentioning that you might need to allow some permissions if it's your first time logging in through Google, but it generally streamlines the process. Once you've clicked Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Here you'll want to select the account associated with your Lovable AI profile. If you're already logged into Google, your account should already appear on this list. Just a click and you'll be directed into your Lovable environment. Great. Now that we're logged in, take a look around. Your next step is to locate the specific project you'd like to hide. Go to your project's dashboard. It should list all the projects you've been working on. Find the one in question and click on it to open up the project view. With the project open, it's time to head over to the settings. Usually this is found within the project view. Look for a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings that you can click. This is where a lot of the customization happens, so feel free to explore. But we're focusing on one thing today. In the project settings, scroll down or look over on the sidebar for the project visibility option. Here's where you can change how visible your project is to others. By default, many projects might be set to public, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. However, if you're on a business plan, you have the option to switch it to private or personal. This change ensures that only you, or people you authorize, can see the project. It's critical to check your account plan because the private or personal settings are only available on business plans. So make sure you're eligible to make this change based on your current account status. Selecting the private option is an excellent way to keep sensitive work confidential, allowing you to control access and maintain project privacy easily. And that's it. You've successfully changed the visibility setting of your project, making it more secure. Hopefully these steps were easy to follow, and you now feel confident navigating project settings on Lovable AI. Remember to save your changes and log out safely if you're on a shared device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.